Hey, what's up guys, Rizvin Hassan Saham here, back at it with another video. So I'm going to show you or give you a review of Worker's Choice utility knife. So don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on post notifications for my weekly uploads or never uploads. So keep seeing the video. Okay, first of all, we got the package in here. Utility knife. I know for this utility knife you can see the most. Worker's Choice, and look at HMNR made in China, 70 taka. This thing took me 70 taka. So yeah, professional grade art knife, blade, metal shell, auto lock, and pull out the holder to take spare blades. And attention, what? These look similar, but I don't care. Auto locking feature. Warning: use safety glasses and gloves while snapping off the blade. Do not leave the blade out of the hole. First, let me take this out. Oh, and I'm gonna try to pop a blade out from here, but it's from the next video. I'm going to do it, so stay around for that. Okay, let's open the package. The package looks like this. You will have rubber and plastic handle. So it says to pop the back off for spare blades. Let's see. Wait a minute. So here guys, I popped the back off, and if I do like this, one blade comes out and one blade is here. So there is two blades with it. Okay, so let me get this one back in, and up, get this thing in. It's hard to make video with one hand or get this thing in. Wanted to do an but no. Look at this. It comes out like this, but I don't know how good the paper cutter is. Let me take a paper and then check it out. So here guys, look at this. This is our S&D embroidery paper, and there is many more in here. So let me check it out by cutting it. Oh my god, what? Look, I'm not even going to do a little special. Look. Oh my god, look at this. This made such a thin cut. Oh my god, wait, let me do another one. Shoot, this is going to be a murder weapon. Look at this. Oh my god. I am sorry, mom, dad, because I tore the S&D embroidery paper. I'm such a mad bro. Oh my god. But everything goes good. And another one. Pew. Manom. Let me cut off a piece of paper. Look at that. Oh my god. I hope my mom doesn't see this, but I'm sorry for ruining the paper. Okay, let me throw the blade out first. These are all the papers ruined. What? So yeah guys, I got another anti-cutter in here and this utility knife. Yeah, pew pew pew. I'm scratching the camera. Oh my god. Got scared, right? Haha. So yeah, I don't know what to say anymore. Like and subscribe. Oh.